Do your edges look like this? Are you trying to grow them back, or you just want them to appear thicker and fuller? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how I took my edges from this to this in just over 30 days. Keep watching. What's up people, it's your girl Kiki, and if you are new here, I do all things curly hair tips, product reviews and styling. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 steps that you need to take in order to grow your edges a little bit thicker and a little bit fuller in just over 30 days. No gimmicks, no hour-long massaging sessions, just 3 simple tips that actually work. The first key step in growing your edges is having a good wash day routine. A clean, healthy scalp is always going to be the best possible conditions for hair growth, period. This is your best starting point. So my first tip is all about washing your hair with shampoo, not co-wash, every single week. The shampoo I have been using in this 30-day challenge is from Scandinavian Biolabs. This is the Biopilixin shampoo. It's a gentle cleanser designed to reduce oiliness, rebalance the scalp and enhance hair strength. I always make sure I shampoo twice, once to remove buildup and the second to properly clean the hair and scalp. After this, I then went in with the Biopilixin conditioner. Usually I will do a deep conditioner or hair mask on a weekly basis, but because I wore my hair in twists for the majority of the week, my hair wasn't too dry. So I just followed up with a conditioner to this range. Distributed it evenly, detangled my hair and then rinsed it off. This conditioner was pretty lightweight and it didn't wear my curls down at all. Now, step 2 in this routine is going to require a little bit of commitment and discipline. Now, for 30 days, I was applying the Biopilixin serum. Now, this stuff really packs a punch. I applied it daily, and aside from the benefits that are clinically tested, might I add, it really feels tingly and warm. Like, you know when you get like a tea tree kind of like tingle and it feels like you're actually stimulating your scalp? It's kind of that sort of feeling, and I really enjoy that. But for me, the main pro was that it balanced my scalp. Now, I'm someone who sometimes struggles with itchiness and dry scalp, and oil just doesn't cut it when it comes to moisturizing and balancing the scalp. Like, oil is good like on a day 1, however, I think when you are active like me, I've got an active lifestyle, I'm in the gym, I sweat, there's like some sort of like residue left on my scalp. I need something to kind of rebalance that. So this serum really did that for me, and that is the main reason why I enjoyed this product. Some of the other benefits are that it prolongs the growth cycle of the hair, it reduces hair loss, and it's naturally derived. The third and arguably most important step in this edge growth journey is that you are going to want to reduce the amount of tension you place on your hair. So say goodbye to slick backs, tight cornrows, anything that is super high tension that's going to drag your edges back. You want to minimize all of that stuff. So for me, this looks like chunky braids or twists. I made sure I did this on a weekly basis. Since the start of the year, I've only been doing these styles anyway, so this is nothing new for me. I've really tried to maintain the length and health of my hair this year, and chunky braids and twists have just been doing that. I know you're all dying to see the before and after of my edges, so here it is. This is what my hair looks like on day 1 prior to the challenge. As you can see, my edges are still intact. I'm not someone who typically suffers, but I do have a few areas where it is a little bit thinner, and I have a little bit less in that area. Now, this is the after. I've noticed a slight change in the thickness of my edges after the 30 days. I can see that in this corner, it's got a little bit more baby hairs, which is a positive, which means that we've got some more new growth coming in. And generally, my hair and scalp just feel overall a lot more healthy and a lot more balanced. So thank you to Scandinavian Biolabs for sponsoring this video. I thoroughly enjoyed the products and I will continue to use them until they're all gone. If you are interested in any of the products you've seen today, you can head over to their website. I'll drop the link in the description, and let me know if you've tried any of these tips and what works for you and your edges. If you're serious about hair growth and length retention this year, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.